Yes, beautiful people. So this is another juice that I just made. I will be making. I don't know the name of this fruit, guys, but if you live where they have those little Chinese vegetable store, you can get these both in the vegetable store and in the supermarket, guys. This is the fruit, guys. They are overripe, and so that's why I turn them into juice. And the juice tastes very good, guys. You don't even need to add water. Just blend them out, put ice, and that's it. So, all right, guys, make your own juice. Fruits, make your own juice, more healthier. All right, guys, take care of yourself. Please comment, subscribe, and share.